In today's lesson, we'll explore phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions. Point 2 Essential tools for sounding like a native speaker. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident using these in your conversations. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First, let's talk about phrasal verbs. These are combinations of a verb and a preposition or adverb that create a new meaning. They're super common in English, and mastering them will take your language skills to the next level. Take the phrasal verb breakdown. It means to stop working or to lose control emotionally. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Or, she broke down in tears after hearing the news. Next, we have catch up, which means to get back on track or reach the same level as others. For instance, I need to catch up on my work after being sick. And finally, turn down, which means to refuse. For example, she turned down the job offer because it wasn't what she wanted. Great. Let's move on to idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the meaning isn't literal. They can be tricky at first, but they're fun and make your English sound natural. The first idiom is piece of cake, which means something very easy. For example, the test was a piece of cake. Next, burn the midnight oil, which means to work late into the night. For instance, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my report. Finally, we have hit the nail on the head, which means to say or do something exactly right. For example, you really hit the nail on the head with your comment. Now, let's see how these expressions work in a conversation. Hey, why are you burning the midnight oil? I'm trying to catch up on my project. It's not exactly a piece of cake. Well, don't let it break you down. You'll nail it. See how natural these expressions sound? You can use them in your daily conversations too. Important phrasal verbs. 1. Breakdown, stop functioning, machine. My car broke down yesterday. 2. Catch up, reach the same level, I need to catch up on my work. 3. Turn down, refuse, she turned down the offer. 4. Bring up, mention, she brought up an interesting point. 5. Look forward to, excited about, I look forward to your visit. 6. Get over, recover, she got over her illness quickly. 7. Put off, postpone, the meeting was put off until next week. 8. Run into, meet by chance, I ran into an old friend. 9. Take off, remove or leave quickly, he took off his jacket. 10. Give up, quit, don't give up on your dreams. 1. Piece of cake, something easy, that test was a piece of cake. 2. Break the ice, make people comfortable, he told a joke to break the ice. 3. Spill the beans, reveal a secret, don't spill the beans about the party. 4. Bite the bullet, face something difficult, I had to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. 5. Burn the midnight oil, work late, I burned the midnight oil to finish my project. 6. Hit the nail on the head, be exact, you hit the nail on the head with that comment. 7. When pigs fly, never, he'll apologize when pigs fly. 8. Under the weather, feeling sick, I'm feeling under the weather today. 9. On the ball, alert and efficient, she's always on the ball at work. 10. Let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise.